Just some quick tips on how to build up a visual vocabulary. The key to building a visual vocabulary is just to make sure that you have all of the shapes that you want before the workshop so that you can transcribe easily. And if you're giving it remotely, it just becomes, the shortest time to drag and drop something. So the first tip that I would have, especially in my line of work, if you're drawing a lot of company diagrams on, is just to look for um, the company name and then logo transparent. And that usually gives me the right result. And then I copy and paste and I have it there. And I always look for transparent because backgrounds change and things like that. The other thing I would recommend a lot is flat icon. If you Many companies actually go and they produce their own icon sets with their own branding. The reason I recommend flat icon is it has a lot of images in it that do look like things that you would have drawn. So they do preserve that feel of hand drawnness, which I think is just very just pleasing to the eye. And also, if you look at like another icon, let's say screwdriver, right? They have a lot of choices. So some will be very nice in your diagram with color. Others will preserve that hand-drawn feel, and still more will also come in SVG, which will give you the opportunity to change the color and make it more uniform in your Google slide or PowerPoint. So that would be a great choice for you. And remember, once you've built up this vocabulary, you don't really have to revisit it very often. So if you just get a monthly subscription and then you just stop paying, it's going to be like an inexpensive way to do that. And as a third choice, why not create your own? Really, most of these are not that highly detailed. So if you can combine shapes to make one shape and use it frequently, sure, why not? So don't feel afraid to make your own shape if that makes sense for you. And if that shape is very popular or it's used a lot, then go back to your design team and ask them to make a better version of it so you can use it in your future diagrams.